Alright, so for this shot we're gonna need Blue Curacao and Rumchata. Alright, we're gonna start by adding 1 ounce of Rumchata. And 1 ounce of Blue Curacao. Now we're gonna layer it. And that's how you make the cloudy sky shot.